Putting $1,000 to work in December 2025 is absolutely worth it. Even small amounts can grow meaningfully when you choose safe, low-fee, liquid options, and let time and compounding do the heavy lifting. Let's review some of the best places to invest $1,000 today, from ultra-safe cash options, paying over 4%, to simple funds that could realistically double your money over time. No jargon, no crazy risks. Just a clear plan for beginners. Welcome back to YieldZap Pro. Our goal is simple: make investing clear and approachable so you actually use it. Quick disclaimer: not financial advice. Always do your own research and consult with your financial advisor. Today's list is ranked for complete beginners who want safety, low fees, liquidity, and realistic growth. We'll also show exactly what $1,000 could turn into in 5 and 10 years for each option. Number 9. Yield Saving Accounts, ESAs, Ultra Safe Cash, Exact Current Yield. Top online high-yield savings accounts are around 4.00 to 4.20% APY as of late November 2025. Minimum to start. Many pay full APY with $0 to $100 minimum. Best platforms. Examples: Open Bank High Yield Savings at 4.20% APY with $500 minimum for APY. Bright Bank Growth Savings at 4.00% APY with $0 minimum. A high-yield savings account is like a supercharged piggy bank that actually pays you decent interest while staying fully liquid. It's the best place for your first $1,000 if you need safety, quick access, and zero chance of market swings. Go to NerdWallet or Bankrate's high-yield savings lists. Filter for 4+% APY, $0 to $500 minimum, and open an FDIC-insured account online in under 10 minutes. Number 8. 6 to 12-month CD ladder. Exact Current Yield. The best CDs are still around 4 to 5% APY for shorter terms. Bankrate data shows high-yield accounts near 4.20% and CDs often slightly higher. Minimum to start. Many online CDs have $500 to $1,000 minimums. Example structure: split $1,000 into two $500 CDs, 6 months and 12 months at approximately 4.5% APY. Illustrative. A CD ladder is like putting your money in a series of locked boxes that open at different times, each paying you a bit more interest for waiting. It gives beginners a safe, predictable return slightly above a regular savings account without needing to watch the market. Search Best CD Rates on Bankrate. Pick a bank with 4+% and a minimum at or below your amount, and open one 6-month and one 12-month CD with your $1,000. Number 7. Series 1 Savings Bonds, IBonds. Exact Current Yield. IBonds issued November 2025 to April 2026 pay a 4.03% composite annual rate for the first 6 months. Minimum to start, $25 electronic minimum, so $1,000 is fine. Platform: buy directly at treasurydirect.gov. An IBond is like a government savings bond with a built-in inflation shield, so your money doesn't get eaten as quickly by rising prices. For beginners worried about inflation but still wanting safety, IBonds offer a unique government-backed option. Create a free account at Treasury Direct, link your bank, and buy $1,000 of IBonds in your own name with a single purchase. Number 6. Short-term Treasury bills, 3 to 12 months. Exact Current Yield. Short-term treasuries are yielding around the mid-4% range in late 2025, similar to or slightly above top savings rates. Minimum to start: you can buy treasuries in $100 increments via most brokers, so $1,000 is plenty. Platform: Fidelity, Schwab, Vanguard, or Treasury Direct. A treasury bill is like lending money to the U.S. government for a few months in exchange for a predictable payout. It's one of the safest investments in the world and an excellent parking spot for cash you don't need right away. Open a free brokerage account at Fidelity or Schwab, search for Treasury Auctions or T-bills, and place an order for a 3 or 6 month bill in $100 multiples. Number 5. Total U.S. Stock Market Index ETF. Think funds like a total market ETF from Vanguard or Schwab, for example, a broad fund that owns thousands of U.S. stocks. Exact long-term return. U.S. total stock market has historically returned around 7 to 10% annually over long periods. 7% is a conservative planning number many analysts still use. Dividend yield, typically around 1.3 to 2%. Minimum to start. Most ETFs have no minimum beyond the share price. With fractional shares, you can start with $1 to $5. Platform: Vanguard, Schwab, Fidelity, SoFi, Robinhood, ETFs, and fractional shares. A total market ETF is like owning a tiny slice of almost every major U.S. company in one simple, low-fee package. It's one of the simplest, most time-tested ways for beginners to get real long-term growth without having to pick individual stocks. Open a brokerage account, search for a total U.S. stock market ETF, turn on fractional shares and invest the full $1,000 in one or two purchases. Understanding this is a 5 to 10+ year play. Number 4. Global Stock Market Index ETF, U.S. plus International. Using a broad global ETF that owns both U.S. and international stocks, such as a World Index Fund recommended as a core holding by Morningstar. Exact long-term return. Global equity markets have historically delivered around 7 to 9% annualized over long periods. Dividend yield, typically in the 1.5 to 2.5% range. Minimum to start, the ETF share price, or just a few dollars with fractional shares. Platform: Vanguard, Schwab, Fidelity, SoFi, and most major brokers. A global ETF is like buying a tiny piece of thousands of companies across the entire world in one click. It gives beginners built-in diversification across countries and currencies, instead of betting everything on just one market. In your brokerage, search for Total World Stock ETF or Global Stock Index, compare expense ratios, and put your $1,000 into the one with the lowest fees that fits your risk level. Number 3. Core Bond ETF, Low Volatility Anchor. Morningstar notes that core bond ETFs from Vanguard or iShares are increasingly popular and solid choices for balanced portfolios. Exact long-term return. Intermediate core bond funds historically have delivered around 3 to 6% annualized. 4 to 6% is a reasonable planning band. Yield. Many bond ETFs now yield in the 4 to 5% range in late 2025. Minimum to start, ETF share price, or just a few dollars via fractional shares. Platform: Vanguard, Schwab, Fidelity, SoFi, etc. A core bond ETF is like a shock absorber in your portfolio that pays steady interest while smoothing out some of the stock market bumps. For someone starting with $1,000, mixing a bond ETF with stock funds can keep you invested when markets get scary. Search Morningstar's lists for a core bond ETF with a gold or silver rating, check that the expense ratio is low, and invest a portion of your $1,000, say $300 to $500, alongside stock funds. Number 2. Broad dividend-focused ETF, moderate growth plus income. Many dividend ETFs track baskets of companies with consistent dividend payments, combining income and growth. Exact long-term return. Top dividend ETFs over the last decade have shown annualized returns in the 8 to 10% range, including reinvested dividends. Dividend yield. Often 3 to 4% or higher. Minimum to start. Single share or fractional share with as little as $1 to $5. Platform: any major broker, check ETF.com and Morningstar for yield, fees, and holdings. A dividend ETF is like owning a basket of companies that pay you rent in the form of regular cash payouts, while their stock prices hopefully grow. It gives beginners a psychological boost, seeing small cash payments arrive, while still participating in long-term stock growth. On ETF.com or Morningstar, filter for dividend ETFs with yields around 3 to 4%, broad diversification, and low fees. Then put your $1,000 into one diversified fund instead of chasing individual high-yield stocks. Number 1, Roth IRA with a simple robo-advisor portfolio. Not a specific asset, but rather a tax-advantaged account, plus automation. NerdWallet and others rate robo-advisors like Vanguard Digital Advisor highly for low fees and low minimums. Typical expected long-term return. Many robo-portfolios use a stock-bond mix targeting around 5 to 8% annualized, depending on your risk level. Minimum to start, Vanguard Digital Advisor, $100 minimum. Betterment, $0 minimum. Wealthfront, $500 minimum. Roth IRA angle. Many of these let you open a Roth IRA and invest the $1,000 tax-free for retirement, subject to contribution rules. A robo-advisor, Roth IRA is like hiring a low-cost robot to build and manage a long-term, tax-free portfolio for you in the background. For beginners who don't want to pick funds or rebalance, a robo-managed Roth IRA can quietly turn small contributions into serious retirement money. Go to NerdWallet's Best Robo-Advisors or Best Roth IRA Accounts. Pick one with a $0 to $500 minimum and low fee. Open a Roth IRA, deposit your $1,000, and choose a risk level that matches your age and comfort. If this video helped you get clarity, tap that like button, subscribe for more beginner-friendly investing breakdowns, and share this with a friend who keeps saying, "I'll invest when I have more money." Remember, the first $1,000 is the hardest. After that, compounding takes over.